This is Dr. Greg with another episode of Emotional Wellness Minute. And today we're going to be focusing on how people build habits, and in particular, how do people get stuck in habits that are actually unhelpful to their lives. So, a lot of behavioral science shows that people's behavior is guided by the consequences of their actions. So, if they're rewarded after their behavior, they're more likely to do it again. And if they're punished after their behavior, they're less likely to do it again. Rewards can be just about anything, and people are very different. In general, they tend to be positive feelings or a sense of relief, or even match what we think we deserve. Punishments typically make us feel uncomfortable in some sense, or we lose something that we actually were enjoying. People can get stuck, though, when their habit or behavior gets followed by a short term benefit and long term problems, because we only need one reward to feel an urge to do the behavior again. The good news is all of us can change our behaviors when we notice that we're stuck in an unhelpful habit. And you may need to map out what are the long term benefits to changing behaviors and remind yourself so in the short term you feel good about them. If you found today's tip helpful, please like and subscribe.